Well, welcome to the Polly the Wog channel. We are out picking up scrap metal from the curbs, trying to fill our trailer full of stuff. We've already got a few things in here, and by the end of this video I am going to tell you exactly how much everything weighs, what our current scrap prices are at our yard, and exactly how much we get paid for our load of scrap. So let's go scrapping and see what we find. Well, we just got flagged over by a nice gentleman that asked us if we're looking for metal, and the answer to that is yes.
Beautiful. Sir? Yep. More over here.
Okie dokie. That was quite the jump. Oh yeah, these old cast iron pots. Nice and heavy. He's got a couple of these beautiful cast iron planters.
So that's it? Okay, thank you very much.
Get that cord off of there. Well, that's a good stop. These cast iron planters weigh a plenty. Nice. Well, it's a slow start, and hopefully it's going to pick up for us. See if I can ditch this cord somewhere. Good enough there for now. All right, let's carry on. Try to find some more junk. Is that a nice piece of steel pipe? Yep, it is. And we'll take the little dustpan just because we're here. But yeah, that's a nice hunk. Looks awfully red, but definitely steel. All right, let's see what else we can find. Looks like there's a couple little things. Oh, I see a cord in there. Alright, I think we're done. Throw these couple little things in there. Put their bag back in the garbage can. And hide our little stash of cords and wires. And we're gonna carry on down the road. Well, we'll take the chair from the curb. Looks like it's an aluminum chair. Oh, definitely an aluminum chair. Yep, that's good enough for now. Carrying on. Auto parts on the curb. Yes. Oh, nice heavy ones. Yep, that's nice. We don't have a lot so far, but at least we're finding some heavy things. Hopefully it picks up. All right, let's continue on our journey. I saw these 3 little things sticking up. Oh, and it's just plastic, isn't it? Yep, just plastic. I got fooled. Oh well, let's carry on. I saw a piece of furniture. There it is. They already nicely cut the cloth out and everything. It's going to be more aluminum. The aluminum is nice, but my brother keeps all the aluminum, so every time I pick it up, all I can think to myself is, I'm not making anything. Oh well. There we go. All right, let's see what's next. A couple of big fluffy chairs. And get these folded up a little bit better. Get in there. There we go. Starting to come together a little bit. All right, carrying on. I spotted this umbrella in the weeds. Without the cloth on it, it was a little tough to see. There we go. Good stuff. All right, carrying on. Just little bits of metal. Yes, heavier than I would have thought. Those poles are thicker steel. All right, it's coming together. Let's find some more junk. Well, what do we have here? Some sort of restaurant type thing. Metal on the outside, looks plastic on the inside. And this is stainless steel. It's not magnetic.
Yeah,
but the inside's plastic.
No, don't want it. It's a nice machine, I think.
Potable water, so
Potable water.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, no, it can stay there.
Alrighty, the police are coming. I didn't do it. You can't prove anything. Thought I'd seen something here, and I did. A little steamer. Well, we're gonna grab that as the police come whizzing by. Here they come. There they go. Well, I hope you weren't wearing headphones, because that was loud. And get this cord off of here. I got an extra cord at least. Add that to my collection. Let's see if we find anything else. Well, you know, I love finding a barbecue, even if it's dismantled and in pieces. Not stainless steel. Just a whole bunch of tin for the tin pile.
It's weird how the handles and everything have been stripped out of it.
Yeah, they just took most of it apart, but still what's left is very heavy.
I'm thinking to move that and stay on this end.
Yeah, let's put this down because that's heavy.
That's it.
We gotta move the microwave.
Well, it's the bed rails I gotta get it up over.
Okay. This back shelf sticks out way too far.
Well, somehow I gotta get up there to lift that higher. Oh, it's now it should be able to move forward a bit.
Yeah, it's a stupid shower rack thing. There we go, just busted it. And it's sitting on top of the bed rails now. We'll need a couple of straps, one on the barbecue and one on this stuff at the front.
All right.
Well, that was a nice find. It's always good to find the bigger, heavier items, for sure, for sure. And we're gonna strap in the barbecue, sort of strap over this stuff at the front, and see what else we can find.
I don't want to go over, I want to go over the shelf.
Alright, I'm going to let him finish strapping this in, and we're going to see if we can find any other junk. What are the odds that we would find two barbecues missing their tops? But we just did. Coming for what's left of your barbecue grill. And a few little things in here. Not anywhere great to put those.
Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Thank you.
And it's got seized wheels. And this one's very heavy as well.
Sorry, we won't hit you.
Now where we're gonna put it is a whole nother question.
I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. Probably the best thing would just be to empty this corner back here.
Yeah, either that or try to get it up onto this pile.
Oh, I'd rather put the lighter stuff up there. Here, look at that beast.
Yeah, we can throw like these chairs in the back of your truck.
Yep.
I'm going to see if this will fit down in there. One chair's in the way. There we go.
Come over here, will you? Bye. No, over here. I need you to support me as I'm coming down.
Aren't you? Old fat man problems?
You got that right.
What are the odds that we'd find these two busted up barbecues missing lids? I find that very unusual. Well, that took a little bit of work and effort, but well worth it.
We need that other one on there now. Sorry, we're blocking you. Oh, okay. I'm going to put the second one over that microwave.
All right.
Since I've got it out anyway. What's that?
That planter, is it iron or?
Yeah, it's cast iron, but it's all broken up.
Yeah.
It's really rusted out, both of them.
Yeah. No, I just memories, you know.
Yeah, they're almost all plastic these days. It's not too often you find the old metal ones.
No, it's not. But as you said, you can patch that one. It looks pretty darn good.
Yeah. It's probably just going to go to the scrap yard for scrap metal.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing, right? Is just trying to collect any scrap metal we can find. So
Well, good for you.
yeah, it makes us a couple extra dollars, and
What matters?
yeah.
I like the look of your house.
Yes, it's very nice.
Thank you.
I like the blue accent.
Very nice too.
Well, I'm trying. And you keep this is tulip tree, so you know the lovely little petals.
Yes. Yeah, big mess every spring after
Yeah.
they come down. Yeah.
But
That looks real nice though.
I'm good
Has
with-
that cottage feel to it.
That's what I like.
Yeah.
It was 2 bedroom, so
Perfect.
it's cottage.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna do the porch in the same thing that's the original
Okay.
pine boards.
Oh yeah.
So
No,
yeah.
looks real good.
Very good.
You're welcome.
Have
All
a
right.
nice evening.
Have a good night.
Good luck with
Well, 2 doors down from where we were, found a bunch more stuff. A couple fans, maybe a dehumidifier. Might just be another fan. But yeah, it's better than the average fan. Weighs more. It's got a heavy duty cord. I'm gonna whack myself with it. And just put the cord there for now. Oh, even a nice little piece of aluminum for you. Oops. Add that to my other cord. What is this? I took as much off of this as I could. Gather up my cords. Yeah, my cords are getting buried under all that other stuff. Oh well.
You unhook the new strap from the microwave.
I think that was everything. And this thing was mostly wood, very, very light. So yeah, that was everything that we wanted. Not aluminum.
No, I know. It's too rough though.
That's all you need?
Just the metal
Yep.
stuff.
Yep, good. Thanks very much.
Thank you. All right, let my brother finish putting the strap on and we'll see if we find anything else. So that was it for the night. That was our glorious load of scrap metal. Those two barbecues, thank goodness for that. It kind of made the load a fair bit better. I'm gonna guess that this is maybe 500 to 600 pounds, probably in that range. At least I got a nice big handful of cords. That's always nice.
Because I just discovered it's aluminum.
Oh. Alright.
And it's a Honda, and everybody likes Hondas.
Yeah, exactly.
Turn the camera off, gonna put the lawnmower in the back of the truck and we're done here.
Have I told you how much I appreciate you watching my video? Because I really appreciate it. So that load weighed 800 pounds of just regular tin shred. It was going at $230 per ton or 11.5 cents per pound. So it paid us a grand total of $92. And I will take that all day long. That was better than the average load that we've been getting lately. Those 2 cast iron planters that guy gave us, where the jumping squirrel was in there, let me know in the comments what you think about that jumping squirrel footage, the way I slowed it down and played it back. I don't know. I thought it was something different. I thought you might get a kick out of it. But then there was those 2 barbecues that were both missing their top lids and the grills and guts out of the inside. So my theory was we were behind another scrapper that had a smaller vehicle, and another scrapper had already found those barbecues, took the lid, took the grills, and any other little bits and goodies that they could get off of there, and left us the remainder of the barbecue carcass. But we were more than happy to take them. Made up the good majority of our load. But anyways, I just want to say thank you for being here. I appreciate you watching. And I hope to see you right here in the next one.